Fernando, Babo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga, guys. Para sa video na to, another cafe ang ating nabisita, na-discover dito po sa San Fernando, Pampanga.
And hindi lang simpleng cafe, napaka-kakaibang cafe niya.
Yes.
Imagine they're roasting their own coffee.
Wow! Yun nga, no? So sa dami ng mga cafe na pinuntahan natin, ito lang ang nakita natin na nagro-roast ng kanilang sariling coffee beans.
Mapapansin dito, napakaganda ng mga artwork nila. Meron silang isang common denominator.
What is it?
Yung pagiging side-eye ng mga pictures nila.
Correct.
Hello everyone, my name is Jose Fernando Castro Rivera. My nickname is J.O. and I'm the owner of Side Eye Cafe. But I think originally side eyes have had a negative connotation. But here in the cafe, we wanted to push something more positive. We aim to have open dialogue for customers. You come here, you meet, you talk. It's a place a safe space for you to discuss openly and respectfully with others. Well, here at the Side Eye Cafe, we serve food. We have dishes that are common to province of Pampanga. We also have international dishes such as salted egg. We have squid ink pasta. We have one of our specialties, or our specialty coffee, I should say. We have frap, coffee over ice, hot drinks, and refreshers.
For now, let's talk about the food that we have on our table.
So on our table, ito yung mga parang
Bestsellers.
nila.
Recommended ng mga owners.
And mapapansin nyo naman, at some point may mga kakaiba dito. Like ito, meron tayong balut sisig.
Yes.
Meron tayong salted egg gabi chips. Meron tayong kangkong, kangkong chips.
Kangkong chips.
Yung ating
Crispy kangkong, no?
Crispy kangkong. Sizzling gambas. Seafood alabar pasta. And yung kanilang squid ink pasta. Pero, isa sa mga bago rin na nakita ko dito, yung kanilang honey bagoong chicken.
Wow, that's gonna be so savory.
Yeah. So since cafe nga ito, meron tayong mga refreshers dito.
Refreshers,
hot coffee.
Correct.
Meron tayong mga drinks. And syempre yung mga frap natin.
Umpisan ko na ito.
Yes.
The advantage that this cafe has by owning its own roaster is the way that we're able to roast our beans. We're able to get specific flavors, flavor profiles out of the beans that we roast here at Side Eye Cafe. In doing so, we're able to be more accurate with what we serve. We're able to serve the certain flavors that we ourselves create through the roasting process, that we offer local and international beans. So the local beans we get from Sagada. Sagada in particular has good coffee, so I think that's one of the flavors, I should say, that really stuck with me and something that I adopted into the cafe.
So guys, we are dining dito sa second floor nila. Actually, it has a first level in which yun yung parang pinaka-counter natin. And then, nandun din yung roasting machine natin. Now, the second level is additional dining area. Plus, meron tayong VIP room. So, VIP room, you have a really large screen TV that you can enjoy. And yeah.
I think maganda dito kung kayo yung mga pwede mag-held ng meeting. Fit na fit dito.
Yun guys, to end our video, isa sa mga must-try dito na we're gonna enjoy is yung kanilang crepe.
Yes. And additional pala doon sa mga coffee natin, you could pick your own beans.
Actually, you can choose either an international bean, the way, kumbaga, how is it roasted, medium, parang mild, or even black roasted. So you can actually choose or customize according to your personality and like. And dito ko lang natikman yun. It's very unique yung kanilang alabar.
Wow.
Napakasarap niya para sa akin.
And sabi nga nila, the recipe is from Zamboanga.
Yes. Something that is not from Pampanga, pero we can enjoy.
Yeah, so yun. So if you want to visit Side Eye Cafe, so located lang siya dito sa may CJG building along MacArthur Highway. Ang pinaka-landmark lang niya across siya ng
De La Paz.
De La Paz. And they are open from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday. They also have merch here. So kung kayo naghahanap ng merch ng side-eye, available po sila dito.
So meron silang hoodie, may mga
Tumbler-
shirts, tumblers.
yeah.
Alright, so guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you on the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out. Bye guys. Cheers, bro.